Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 2.1. It is very important for 10th class also. The first question in exercise 2.1 is find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Polynomial, whatever they are given, you have to assume as p of x. 4x square minus 5x plus 3. This is given polynomial and he is asking you have to find its value when first problem is when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. What he is saying? Substitute in place of x 0 in the given quadratic polynomial. So here p of x means 0 or not. So you should not write x. In place of x, what I have to write? 0. P of 0. So here in place of x you written 0. Right side also, wherever you are seeing x, there you have to write 0. 4 into 0 square, 5 into 0 plus 3. Now simplification. 0 square. A square means A into A. 0 square means 0 into 0. 4 into 0 is 0. So 0. 5 into 0 is also 0. Plus 3. 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0. No values. The value is plus 3. So starting for a number, there is no need of writing plus. So the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 0 is 3. So p of 0 is equal to 3. So in this only second problem. In first, second problem. What he given here? When x is equals to minus 1. Means he given question that polynomial is same, this only. But you have to find the value of this polynomial when x is equal to minus 1. What you have to do? Wherever x is there, it should be replaced with minus 1. So, first given question you have to write it p of x is equals to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. Where you are seeing x, there you have to keep minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 is there, maximum try to keep it in the brackets. Now, 4 into minus 1 we should not do. First minus 1 square. Minus 1 whole square. See, a square formula is a into a. Minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So, minus 1 whole square is 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Now, 5 before minus is there, 1 before minus is there. Minus 5 into minus 1. That is 5 plus 3. All are positive. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. The value of this entire polynomial when x is equal to minus 1 is 12. Okay. Now x is equals to 1 by 2. Now x is equals to 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 you have to find it. You should find p of 1 by 2. Okay. So wherever x you are seeing, in place of x you have to substitute 1 by 2. So for x you are seeing it. X you should not write in place of x 1 by 2. For x what you have? Square. For 1 by 2 also square. 5. X you are seeing 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now don't multiply 4 and 1 by 2 now. Being bracket means into, but you should not do multiplication now. Half whole square. A square means a into a. A square means a into a. Half whole square means half into half. Multiplication, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 4 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 cancelled. Next what you have? Is equal to below is equal to 4 and 4 cancelled means you have remained 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 3 is a number, natural number, 1 is a number. Both are positive only. 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 5 by 2. From 4 you have to subtract 5 by 2. Directly we can't subtract it. What you have to do is you have to take LCM. 1 and 2 LCM is 2. 1 how many times will go in this means 2 times into numerator 4. 2 how many times will go means 1 time, it's a numerator. Bodmer's rule, first you have to perform multiplication not subtraction. First 2 4 is a multiplication, 1 5 is a multiplication. 2 4 is a 8, 1 5 is a 5 by 2. See, minus is there, 2 1s are 2 4s, they should not cancel. First simplify it, 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 in mixed fraction, 2 1 by 2. No? 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2. So here you have to, means you found the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 1 by 2. So LCMs are most important. Now we will go for second problem in 2.1. What is the second problem? Same, P of 1, P of 0, P of 2. P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. So, one problem I will write on the board, that is P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. What you have to do for every problem, you should find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Now first we will find P of 0. Where x is there you have to substitute 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Being these two are zeros, no value, you have to write only 1. Next go for P of 1. Wherever x is there you have to substitute 1 in this one. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, 1 square means 1. Next P of 2. Wherever x is there you have to write 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Otherwise 4 and 1 are positive. Like symbols you can add it. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So any method is correct. So like this what you have to do? You should find for every problem P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Okay, P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. What you have to do? You should find P of 0. 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. What is the value of P of 0? Minus 1. Next go for P of 1. 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 into any number is 0 itself. Next P of 2. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So P of 2 value, how much you got it? 3. So like this one, wherever you have variable, in that place you have to substitute 0 one time, 1 one time, 2 one time. Means for every question you will get 3 answers. P of 0 answer, P of 1 answer, P of 2 answer. Okay. Now we will go for third problem in this. What is the third problem? That is verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. First, zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. First we should know the meaning of this one. So here, what is the meaning means? X plus 5 is equal to 0 is there. So 0 of the polynomial means in place of x, what value you have to substitute to make the entire equation 0. 0, you take it off. X plus 5, only expression is there. Only polynomial x plus 5 is there. You have to find 0 of this polynomial. So in place of x, if I kept minus 5, I am getting its value as how much? 0. If I assume this is p of x, p of minus 5 value, you are getting 0 or not? Where you are getting 0, that value of x is called 0 the polynomial. For this p of x is equal to x plus 5, for this polynomial, minus 5 is called 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now what you have to do is here p of x is equals to 2x plus 1 they given, and x value they given at minus 1 by 2. X value they given as minus 1 by 2. What you should do? So in place of x, substitute minus 1 by 2 first. Means you have to find the value of p of minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. So value of this entire polynomial at x is equals to minus 1 by 2. How much you got here? 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is 0 of polynomial 2x plus 1. For this 2x plus 1 polynomial, what is 0 the polynomial? Minus 1 by 2. Why means what you have to say? If you substitute in this polynomial in place of variable minus 1 by 2, entire value is becoming 0. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is called 0 of the polynomial. Now, next problem. P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. 5x minus pi. Where x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Where x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So here 5, p of minus 3 by 2 you have to find. 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus pi. If you multiply minus 15 by 2 minus pi means approximate value is 22 by 7. If you write 22 by 7 also, you won't get exactly what? 0. Therefore, not equals to 0, minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. P of x is equal to, you can write P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. Means for this polynomial, minus 3 by 2 is not a 0 of polynomial. Why means what you have to say? In place of x, if you substitute minus 3 by 2, its value you are not getting 0. If you got 0, it is a 0 of the polynomial. If you did not get 0, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. So, next problem. Here polynomial given, number given. What you have to do is simply you should substitute that numbers in the equation. Now p of x is equals to ax plus b, and in place of x he given minus b by a. So p of minus b by a, in place of x minus b by a write it, plus b, a cancelled, minus b plus b, 0. You got 0 means this minus b by a is called what? 0 of the polynomial. You have to write x is equals to minus b by a is 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to ax plus b. Next, one more question in this only. We'll do it. That is, f of x is equals to 3x square minus 1, where x is equals to minus 1 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3. Here x values how many they given? 2 they given. Okay. First you have to substitute minus 1 by root 3. Next you have to substitute 2 by root 3 because the power of x you are seeing 2 or not, means 2 zeros will be there. Previously only 3x plus 5 x power you have only 1. So 1 0 the polynomial it will have. It is a quadratic polynomial. For quadratic polynomial 2 zeros of the polynomial will be there. For cubic 3. For biquadratic 4 like that. Now what you have to do is the f of first one minus 1 by root 3. 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. I said square means same number, you have to repeat one more time and you have to do multiplication. Minus into minus is plus 1 by 3 will get it minus 1. 3 cancelled, 1 minus 1 means 0. This 1 by 3 how you got? Minus 1 by root 3 into minus 1 by root 3. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square. Square root cancelled. 1 by 3. Okay. Now 2 by root 3 say it. F of 2 by 3. 2 by root 3. F of 2 by root 3 means in place of x 2 by root 3 have to write it. 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square means 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So you are getting 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 cancelled. 4 minus 1. How much you got? 3. Means f of 2 by root 3 value you did not get 0. If you did not get 0, this 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial. So minus 1 by root 3 is 1 0 of the polynomial. Another 0 of the polynomial will be there. Because of its degree is 2, you will have 2 zeros. 1 they given. In question what he is saying is find the other, he is not saying. Values of x they given, are these zeros of the polynomial or not? So what you have to do? Minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of the polynomial. 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So remaining you do it. Tomorrow we will go for any doubt problems or next exercise. Okay.